Making cappuccino. When making cappuccino, prepare the coffee in a large cup. Fill a container, preferably with a handle to avoid burns, with about 100 grams of milk for each cappuccino to be made. In choosing the size of the container, bear in mind that the milk doubles or triples in volume. Press the steam button. The heat or rinse light flashes. Immerse the cappuccino maker in the milk container. After a few seconds, when the steam light flashes, turn the steam dial to the 1 position. Steam is delivered from the cappuccino maker, giving the milk a creamy, frothy appearance and making it more voluminous. To obtain a creamier froth, rotate the container with slow upward movements. When you have obtained the required froth, stop steam delivery by turning the steam dial back to the 0 position. Add the milk froth to the coffee prepared previously.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Programmable Espresso Maker. It's a great product. The housing is all stainless steel. It also has a thermal block inside that has 15 bars of pressure, which is perfect to make espresso. It also has a removable water reservoir, which has a maximum fill line here. It also has a handle that helps you carry it to the sink and fill it up, and it mounts right back on the espresso maker. It has 2 pre-programmed settings. It has a 1.5 ounce size and a 3 ounce size, but it also has a great feature where you can reprogram the amount of espresso you want it to dispense, and that's really simple and easy to do. So if you prefer a 2 ounce pour, you can program it to do 2 ounces instead. It also has a power button. It has a manual button. This is where the 1.5 ounce size is, and the 3 ounce size. So for 1 or 2 servings. Has the program button and the steam button. It also has a really nice removable drip tray, which catches any spills that you make, which can go right into the dishwasher. It also has 3 coffee filter sizes. It has the 2-cup size. It has the, this is for 2 cups of espresso. This is for 1 serving. And then lastly, we have our pod. This is really great if you buy pods. You just pop it right in here, and then you put it in the portafilter holder, and you mount it on the machine, and that's how you make your espresso. Lastly, the nice thing about the portafilter holder is that once you're done making your espresso, you slide this over, and you can dump out any of your grounds, and you won't lose your filter holder. that's really nice. We also include a DVD with the product. It shows you how to get the most out of your espresso maker. Also has some great recipes on how to make a macchiato, a latte, and a cappuccino, so that's really nice. Make sure you watch that. The other thing is it comes with a coffee scoop. This is for when you use espresso ground coffee, and you just scoop it in and use the other side to tamp it down, and then you put it in the portafilter holder like this, and then you mount it on the machine to make your coffee. So I'm going to show you how to use the commercial style wand. What we're going to do is put on the steam function, and what will happen is this will blink until it's ready, and when the machine comes up to the proper temperature, that will stay lit. And when it becomes lit, we'll be ready to make steamed frothed milk. Now we're ready to make steam. So here we're going to take our frothing cup, which we give you with the espresso maker. We're going to put it underneath, and on the side here, we're going to turn it to the steam function. So you turn that, and it's really simple to use. There's a little handle on here, and you just circulate it around the milk, starting at the bottom. And the trick to this is that once you get it really warm, you're going to pull the frother down just under the surface, and you're going to draw it up the side of the frothing cup, and that's how you make a really beautiful froth for your cappuccino, latte, or macchiato. And there you have it, a beautiful macchiato. I'm going to put a little bit of cinnamon on top, just for a little color. And there you have it, Espresso by Cuisinart, and it's totally programmable.